Hi guys, this is another Labada video for today. This is our first Labada video of March. Yeah. So I feel like it's been boses ko talaga guys. I feel like it's been a while since we've done Labada videos. And honestly, I don't know, like, parang it feels like it's been a while. I know we do this like once every 2 weeks. Or it just feels like it. Tsaka, our videos are like starting to get shorter whenever we make these Labada videos kasi meron na tayong washing machine guys. So anyways, ano ang pag-usapan ko today?
So what keeps you busy?
I'm not really busy with anything. Nakatapos ko lang ng exam like last week. And there's nothing really, busy going on with my life right now. May tapos. How can I tell kung may tapos?
Okay lang.
Maybe wala. Kasi we just started 4th quarter. So, malapit na ata yung PTC.
Malapit na Lord. Ang fourth quarter.
Ha?
Malapit na.
Fourth quarter na nga kami.
Kaya nga.
And, ano po yung sasabihin ko?
2 months to go and you will be graduating.
I feel like the exams for 4th quarter won't be long. It's just gonna be like it's gonna be 1 month. I think that's my prediction, but yeah, I feel like it. And PTC is almost there, so I really hope na the results sa report card ko maging sapphire ulit ako kay honors.
Yeah.
Sana naman.
I think so.
Yeah, kasi kay honors naman ako like last quarter yung third quarter. Ay, yung second quarter yung second quarter I was
With high honors.
yes, and now we will be and now like soon they will reveal my ang tawag nga,
Grades, your card.
my grades for third quarter guys. And I really hope na ma-maintain ko naman yung high honors kasi malapit na ako mag-graduate guys. Maintaining grade is like important, especially kung third quarter ka na or fourth quarter. Kasi that's most likely what's gonna tell you kung ano talaga yung final grades mo sa graduation.
Yeah.
And
But no pressure, ha?
yes, I remember like days ago, nakakalimutan ko na kung when my mom told me na dati they would only during graduations, they would only
Top 10.
yeah, top 10 guys, they would only during graduations they would only reward the ones the top 10, the ones that
And mom is the?
huh?
And mom is the?
Top 1 valedictorian. Hopefully naman na I get like I don't expect na ako yung maging highest sa class, but tingnan natin guys.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, I
You never know.
Kasi alam ko meron yung isang matalinong estudyante dyan mas matalino sa akin. I'm like attentive naman ako guys, but there's a student that I know
If you rate yourself,
Wait, but like, does that include the other section na
yeah.
talaga?
Ah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I didn't know that. So maybe I'm not gonna be the valedictorian. Kasi ang daming mga matatalino dun sa
You never know.
other section. Yeah.
Pero sa section mo, how do you rate yourself?
I feel like,
Alam mo naman, kilala mo naman mga classmates mo eh.
yeah.
Yung
but I
capacity
feel like
nila.
I don't wanna, I don't wanna, I'm Cool lang ako, guys. Above average ako. I'll say that. I don't wanna be rude.
Ano naman? Pero ako nung nag-aral ako ng high school, first year to fourth year, I know that I'm the top one in my class.
Wow,
I'm aware of it.
all.
Yeah. Kasi kilala ko naman mga capacity ng classmates ko eh.
May stain sa...
Hmm?
May mga stain.
Hindi yan stain.
It is.
Well, oh, nahawa. Lagyan mo lang sabon. Yan, may tapos yan, sabunin mo din.
Ang dami naman kailangan sabon. Dapat yan naman
I told you, piliin mo kasi yung black or dark.
It's still gonna affect the others. Pati sa cream.
Ma'am, ano ba itong number na ito yung dito?
Oh,
32? Alam mo, ano number?
0998
Yung
542
998 542
6432. Bakit para saan yan?
sa ano ko, yung Apple account kasi bakit mali?
Baka lagyan mo ng 63. 63998.
Ano bang nilagay? Tingnan mo, nag-favorite siya.
Ah, hindi. 63 dapat dyan. 63. Sige. 998. 542. 6432.
Mali.
Or 063. 063. 063 yung nasa parentheses. Yan. Tapos 998. 542. 6434.
Mali
Ano
pa.
pa doon? Baka plus. Plus 63.
Walang plus eh.
Meron?
Wala siyang plus. Pero yung mali. Okay, yung ano na lang.
Or delete mo 0998. Hindi, lagyan mo ng 0.
Wait.
0998.
Ayan.
542. 6432.
Mali. Lumako atang ano ito eh. Number.
Hmm?
Ganun yun ba yung lumakong number?
Hindi, akin yan. I-check mo kasi kung anong format pag nag-encode ng number. I-search mo.
Baka yun yung SAH mo na ano. Diba yun yung Apple account mo nakaraan? Yun yung ginamit ko eh. SAH CPA top 2000.
Hmm.
Yahoo yun?
Yahoo.com.ph
27 yung... Ano lang pa yan?
Hindi.
Ano yung number yan?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi ako maka-update ng messenger eh. Kasi hindi ako makatawag. Pero nang laptop mo. Ano kasi kami, online practice kami.
Andun siya ba? Huwag kang mag-clear ng kung ano-ano ha.
Ano ka ma'am? May ano yan, saksa ka ng pang-headphones.